I am Enad Mohanty, belong to the first batch of our institute. Director Professor Bishwas, deans, professors, and my young friends, the students of our institute. Good afternoon to all of you. I came to know from my younger brother, the dynamic president of our alumni association, Arun Rath, that all of you have joined together to have a virtual meet to celebrate Teachers' Day. Believe me, I am thrilled and excited. You have made a history. Shortly, our institute is going to complete 60 years of our existence. Never before we have assembled in such a large number. Through this virtual meet today, thousands of young students are going to tell their director and professors, we love you, we adore you, we respect you, we owe to you for all that you are doing for us. Please continue to bless us forever. Friends, I am becoming a bit nostalgic. I fondly remember my college days, 4 years from 1961 to 1965. Probably the best period of my life. Today, the cheerful faces of my principal, Professor Bhuvaneshwar Behera, and each of my professors are dancing before my mind's eye. In turn, I bow before them with a sense of gratitude. Friends, you remember when we are in trouble, we remember God. We go to the temples seeking His help. But this God of ours is invisible. We do not know whether He listens to us or not. But remember, all of us have two visible gods. They are our parents and our teachers. Whenever in trouble, just invoke them either physically or virtually. You will realize that their help and blessings are pouring in to take care of us. Please do not forget them, never neglect them. Director, Professor Bishwas, and professors, please do not forget to bless me, the oldest student of yours. You are my director, you are my professors. I bow before you. Thanks, my love and regards to all of you.
Greetings everyone, I am Manas Panda, 1992 batch Computer Science. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I'd like to thank all the teachers at NIT Rourkela for their hard work, dedication, and adapting to remote learning environment to train the bright minds of the institute. As someone said, a teacher is a compass that activates the magnets of curiosity, knowledge, and wisdom in the pupils. This certainly holds true for me, and I'd like to express my gratitude to all the teachers who taught me at NIT Rourkela and shaped my life. Thank you very much.
Remembering my teachers, their dedication, their sincerity, their belongingness, and their punctuality towards us. I remember they make the class so interesting that we never bunk. We never bunk, even if it is a pictures releasing day, that is Thursday. A new movie, that is our first and foremost duty to see movie on the first day, first show. That is our REC boys. We never bunk. This is the quality of the teacher. This is their true belongingness for which we are indebted, we are tempted so that we attend their classes. Coming to education, we are all at par. But the hidden talent we are having, they are strictly identified by them. Say drama. We won President's Award in All India Drama Play Competition in Allahabad. Dr. P.N. Tripathi, Dr. Devakanta Tripathi and Dr. Sivachandra, mathematics head, they went along with us to Allahabad with instruction of our principal then, Professor Somnath Mishra. So this is the caliber of the teachers to generate us, to develop us, to become a good human being, what we are today. That's my dedication to them.
Hello everybody, I am Swarnaprabha Rai of Chemical Engineering branch of 2005 batch. My namaskar to all the professors of NIT Rourkela and my senior alumni. Teachers are the light of the world and real life God who are showing us the right path by their teachings and blessings. Due to teachers only we became successful in our professions. So thanking you all the professors of NIT Rourkela for your guidance. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers at NIT Rourkela. What I am today and where I am today is because of so many professors, so many teachers who really taught me, who actually groomed me. So I really thankful to all of them. I am wholeheartedly obliged for the whole life. Thank you so much, and once again, Happy Teachers Day.
A very good afternoon, respected teachers and faculty members of NIT Rourkela. My name is B.V. John and I am a metallurgical engineering graduate of the 1983 batch. I consider it my great privilege and honor to wish and salute you on Teachers' Day. Having graduated as an engineer from this prestigious institute, I have no hesitation in saying that today I owe very dearly to all of you for what I am today. When I look back at the quality time and knowledge acquired in the 5 years that I was there, all I can respectfully say is that all of you set for us stepping stones for us in our life's journey. It is indeed a matter of great pride that today we, the alumni of NIT Rourkela, are placed in the highest and respected positions in the industry, both in India and abroad, and are making valuable contributions to the society at large. I sincerely hope and pray that the great role played by all the teachers, both past and present, will always be remembered and engraved in the story of the Institute and our country. I pray for your good health and that of your families. Thank you and wish this meeting a great success. Bye.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's Teachers' Day today, and my heart goes down memory lanes to my alma mater. I am Subhendu Acharya, 1981 batch mechanical engineer. We have seen so much in life, and times have changed a lot to give a real sea change. But still, we have become what we are. We have taken all the inputs from the college and from our professors. I am proud of my teachers for having made me and groomed me to what I am today, and face the world of challenges. I take this opportunity to pay my respects to my teachers and thank them from the core of my heart. Thank you, my teachers.
हेलो एवरीवन। माँ बाप की मूरत है गुरु, कलयुग में भगवान की सूरत है गुरु। विद दीज वर्ड्स आई पुष्पदंत जैन, alumnus of batch 2020 PhD, wants to express my sincere gratitude towards my faculty Dr. Mohammad Razik Khan and other faculties of NITR who had made my journey so wonderful at NITR. Thank you teacher, thank you so much professors of the NITR, thank you so much.
Hello, I am Pradipto Chatterjee, batch of 1990 Mechanical Engineering. Today is Teachers' Day, and I fondly remember all my teachers in NIT Rourkela who bestowed their love, affection and care while instilling in us the right kind of knowledge and virtues to take us through the journey called life. And today, whatever I am is all because of the teachers I had there. I bow before all my teachers in sincerest gratitude and pray to Almighty for their good health and long life, peace and bliss. Pranam.
Hello, sirs. I am Sundar, 1978-83 batch mechanical, NIT Rourkela. And on this Teachers' Day, I wish to express my sincere gratitude to all the teachers, professors, and principal of NIT Rourkela. While discharging my duties as Executive Director, Chief of Health, Safety, Environment of a Maharatna company, ONGC, I recall with deep sense of gratitude all the technical training and values that has held me in good stead, and I thank NIT Rourkela for making me a better person, and for all the good values and all the technical knowledge that has been imparted to me. Thank you very much.
Today, on the eve of Teachers' Day, I take this opportunity to thank all my teachers who have come into my life, past and present, who have contributed to my development, both at a professional as well as at a personal level. I do strongly realize that I would not have reached where I am without their heartfelt involvement in my development. So, thank you, my teachers. Thank you.
Respected teachers and dear students, my name is Murthy Teneti and I studied mechanical engineering from 1978 to 83 at NIT Rourkela. I work for an IT consultancy and I am based in Melbourne, Australia. I feel fortunate to have studied at a prestigious institute where teaching has always been of the highest standard. Every journey has its ups and downs, and I'll acknowledge that these are tough times for staff and students. These tough times will pass soon, and my advice to students is to back yourselves, be patient, and be ready when the time comes. Many years from now, you will look back at this phase and be inspired by it. September 5th is Teachers' Day, and on this day, I would like to thank all my teachers at NIT Rourkela. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sampath. I am an alumni of NIT Rourkela, batch of 2020. So I would like to extend my gratitude and thankfulness to the faculty of NITR. They helped me in crafting my career. And also I would like to specially extend my gratefulness to Professor Gopal Krishna sir, who is my guide in my final year project. He has helped me not only in the academics but also in my personal life in developing ethics and values and as a person as a whole. Thank you NITR.
Namaskar, this is Vijay GK, 1983 batch, metallurgy. Mother has been the first teacher. After that, my father, my grandfather, grandmother. Everybody teaching us the values. In middle school up to high school, teachers have been involved in each and every student, teaching us the values of life other than the academics. Really grateful to all the teachers who have nurtured me, giving me the values of life. Thank you very much.
Hello, this is Anirban Mukherjee, BSc Mechanical Engineering batch of 1990. I would like to express my sincere thanks, obligations and gratitude to our dear and respected teachers in NIT Rourkela. As they say, a teacher belongs to a profession that opens the door for all other professions. My best wishes, pranams and gratitude to all my teachers once again. Thank you.
Hi everyone, greetings from Mauritius. I am Dennis from batch 1983. On this occasion, among all my teachers and lecturers, I especially express my gratitude to all professors and teaching staff of REC Rourkela, with whom I have had the great opportunity to study 40 years ago in Orissa, Rourkela. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hi, I am Pradeep Lenka of 1977 Mechanical Engineering batch, who passed out under the first 5-year semester program from REC Rourkela. On the Teachers' Day, I humbly thank all my professors at the alma mater for dedicating their precious time and efforts in imparting knowledge, wisdom to be part of this happy society. I am indebted to my late father, who was my first guru, and also I recall the contributions of late Professor Ellen Misra, Professor Banerjee, and Professor N.S. Das, who helped us in preparing for the professional career. Education is the passport to future and of tomorrow, future of tomorrow. And tomorrow belongs to the students who prepare it to well today. And we all prepared under your able guidance and noble, honest, dedicated time and efforts. Thank you, sirs. Thank you very much. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Good evening, Rankolians. On this auspicious day of Teachers' Day, I would like to express my gratitude to Professor Somnath Mishra Garu, Professor Mohanty, my HOD, lecturer Balasubramaniam, and my mentor in the college, Kanak Patel ji, who was a friend, a philosopher and guide to me during those 5 years. I am really happy to have been associated with this great college from 76 to 81. Presently, I am the regional chief in Power Trading Corporation. I worked in NTPC, KPMG and GMR. But those 5 years are unforgettable, and really thank all those lecturers and professors who have been associated, and of course my colleagues. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I am happy to recollect 40 years old time when my college teachers shared my life. To name a few: Professor Panda of English, Professor Ellen Mishra, Professor R.V. Burra, Professor Nag Bhushnaiya, Professor R.K. Paul, Professor Kanak Patel. I can never forget the refrigeration and air conditioning taught by Professor Ellen Mishra. They were gems of my college. I am deeply indebted to them for generating interest in me for their subjects. Whatever I am today is because of my above mentors. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I am Prabodh Padhi, 1980 batch mechanical. As we all know, the teachers are like our second parents. They shape our mind by recognizing our talent to help us in achieving our goal. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I express my sincere gratitude to all my teachers who have made my life and shaped it so that what I am today in the society, that is the only contribution of the teachers. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Sandeep Samantrai from 2004 Electronics batch. I would like to wish Happy Teachers' Day to all my professors back at NIT Rourkela. It has always been a pleasure being a part of NIT Rourkela. In my time, it was REC Rourkela. Especially, I would like to wish professors from Electronics branch, KK Mahapatra sir and everyone. I am what I am today because of professors from NIT. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Manjula Majumdar, a proud alumna of REC Rourkela Chemical Engineering 1981 batch. It's my great privilege to be able to express my gratitude to all our teachers on this Teachers' Day online. I am grateful to them for their selfless contribution. I am especially grateful to Professor Dr. Somnath Mishra, our then principal sir, for guiding me, inspiring me and boosting my confidence in every level. I wish all our teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
Rear Admiral Sanjeev Luktuke, 1977 Mechanical, presently CEO of Vertex Engineering Systems, Hyderabad. Want to convey my sincere gratitude and thanks to all my teachers, professors, lecturers and staff at REC Rourkela, my alma mater, for imparting me best of engineering education and helping me imbibe and inculcate good human values. All these have permanently ingrained in me and have helped me in all stages of my life. Really, no words are adequate to convey my gratitude. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you very much.
My name is Prashant Tripathi, 1981 batch, Chemical Engineering. On this occasion of Teachers' Day, I show my gratitude to all my teachers from class 1 to graduation who have contributed a lot in shaping my character, my personality and as a human being in totality. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave.
Fellow Nitrans, I am Commodore Jena from 1978 Electrical. Today is the day when we pay tribute to all our teachers who have saved our life. It is a noble profession that lay the foundation of the society very humbly. I have been an alumni of 5 academic institutions, including 2 IITs. But my teachers from NIT had contributed the most, very professionally and very passionately, better than the IITs. I salute all my teachers on this Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Dear friends, Namaskar. I am Vijay Mahanti, Vijay Krishna Mahanti from the REC 81 Mechanical Engineering branch from REC Rourkela. Aji Pavitra Guru Divas, our friend Mr. Rathod has requested to speak a few words in this context. Guru Pahle, Kebal Vidyaguru no, we learn from other people whom we have come across during the education and tenure of service. Right from parents, teachers, peers, subordinates and bosses. But specifically from the REC Rourkela, I am personally obliged and thankful to Dr. A.K. Behra, Dr. Kaur and Professor L.N. Mishra of Mechanical Engineering. After serving about 4 decades in different PSUs, in different parts of India, I have retired in 2018 and resettled at my home city, Cuttack. During my tenure, I have also done a 3 years LLB course. So I have taken a registration after retirement from the Odisha Bar Association and I am practicing in the Cuttack. Also through our WhatsApp group, we are in constant touch with our graduates and Nitra. And I request my friends to continue such efforts so that we never tend to miss each other. I thank you once again, the Institute, the Gurus and my friends. Namaskar.
Hi, I am GM Arun Kumar, an alumnus of NIT Rourkela 1981 batch Mechanical Engineering. On this Teachers' Day, I express my gratitude to all my teachers right from kindergarten to college who have shaped my life to be a worthy person of the society. I distinctly remember Professor Somnath Mishra, our principal at that time, Professor R.V. Burra, Professor Padmanabh Bhaiya, Professor Panda of Humanities and others who left a lasting impression on my mind. I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Pranam to all of them.
Since I sincerely thank my teachers who have come across my life for the last 52 years, teaching me right from basics to the present. I wish all of them a happy Teachers' Day and request all of them to shower their blessings on me. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
I spent 3 very wonderful years in REC Rourkela. Now it is called NIT Rourkela. And the 3 years that I spent there were also the busiest years of my life. And every semester when we would begin, I used to wonder that we have a huge syllabus. How are we going to finish all of it in 6 months? But thanks to the very professional and brilliant teachers that we had, we were able to achieve everything, and everything worked like clockwork. When I was in doing MCA in NIT Rourkela, I was also preparing for civil services exam, and one of my optional subjects was mathematics. And in MCA we had several subjects which were related to mathematics, and again the professors taught us so well that it was easy for me to have maths as an optional in the civil services exam. Also, I've got 2 children. They are school going, and whenever they come to me asking to clarify their doubts, I always think that it requires a lot of patience and dedication to be a professor or to be a teacher. When I was in NIT or REC Rourkela, I also used to wonder that the professors that we had were so qualified that they could have easily got some very good work somewhere and shifted out of NIT Rourkela. But they loved their jobs, and that is a reason why having them as professors or learning from them was such a great experience.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Hi, this is Anup Mittal from 2018 batch. I would like to wish Happy Teachers Day to all the professors, teachers, and to everyone who played important roles in our lives and making us whom we are today. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Devashish Roy, 1981 batch chemical. Here to express my gratitude to all my teachers in REC who, with their able mentoring and even more importantly, their forgiveness, helped me grow from a boy wet behind his ears into a full-grown man in those 5 formative years. A great journey indeed it was. Thank you, sirs. Thank you very much. Please accept my humble pranam. Thank you.
Namaste to everyone. This is Somir Ranjan Killa from Hamburg, Germany. I'm 2006 batch pass out, BTech in Mechanical Engineering. On this auspicious day, on this red letter day, I would sincerely like to thank all my mentors, my teachers, my professors, and everybody else without whom I would not have been where I am currently now. Thank you once again for giving me the inspiration, the motivation to take up the challenges in life and to come out so successful in this competitive world. Thank you and namaste.
Hello everyone, I am Sweetie Kanodia, now Sweetie Bora of Chemical Engineering 1990 batch. I would like to thank all my teachers for all their efforts, and for this I have written a few lines expressing my gratitude to all my teachers. I am penning these lines for all my teachers, without whom we would have been but mundane creatures. I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. I thank you for playing a big part in shaping our lives as it stands today. So here's a big thank you and hooray for all our teachers, our guardians, our guru. Together all of us, we salute you.